Welcome to sunny Florida. Look at it today. It's actually quite chilly. Had another storm this morning. The rain's eased off, but it's supposed to be like this all day, so not sure what we're going to get up to. Might be worth doing a park because it's cooler. We don't know. Have to see. Good morning, Aaron. Hello.
Come in, Daddy.
It's a bit windy out there, isn't it?
A little bird.
The bird's gone now.
Is it raining or not?
It is not raining now. Good morning.
Morning.
It's a rainy day in. Good morning. Bless her. It's a rainy day in Florida today. So we're going to do a park because it's nice and cool. We are back at Royal Pacific, parked up.
It's going to be Florida hair later.
Florida. Yeah, Pippa's going to have a, she's going to have a booth on later on. So throughout the day you'll probably see her hair getting curlier and curlier.
Sure and sure.
But we're going to Universal. It's really cool. We didn't even need the aircon on in the car, which is quite amazing.
And we are going in the boat.
We're going to go in the boat, that's right.
We're going to get the boat, Erin. Yay!
Yay. Perfect.
So yeah, we're checking out Universal. Probably just do half a day and then
What's all this about? Way to go.
someone else, I don't know.
No stories.
I think there's some conference going on today.
Yeah.
It's quite busy.
You did it. Way to go, you did it.
But we might get free car parking because the barrier was broken, and the guy said, "Don't worry about it. We'll let you out. Don't worry." So okay.
Yeah, probably cost us £500.
Yeah. So we're just getting the boat down at Royal Pacific into Universal. So catch you later. That's the new chocolate factory over there, which I think's opening in the summer. Got the micro muff on. Hopefully it's draining out that massive wind noise as we're crossing the bridge. Erin's raring to go, isn't she? So we just come from Royal Pacific over there, and we're just heading into Islands of Adventure. Welcome, good citizens. Thank you. Don't know if this music is copyrighted, but we'll see. Alright, just going to shut down while we go through the tickets. That man was a very nice man on the turnstiles. He said that you were adorable, Erin.
Erin is adorable though, we know.
But he didn't actually have the right eyes in because he thought that was a dog that Erin's got, not a cat.
Oh.
This is where the adventure begins, apparently. Right underneath this bridge. Yeah, make sure you bring some wet wipes with you. Let's take a picture of the man taking a picture of us. How you doing? I'm guessing we'll get the money shot in the background for free. There's Curious George, look, Erin. You can see the new Hulk coaster has been built now. I don't know when they're going to do the soft openings, but pretty much, yeah. There. Look at these. Yeah, there's a. Oh, it's called a micro muff.
A micro muff?
Yeah. Little tufts.
Wow,
yeah.
Lovely. So what? It's like a little mohawk.
You need a little bit of gel and we can style it.
It goes that
Do you
way a
think
little
we
bit.
can maybe just go that way?
Oh! This is it.
Or you could use it as a.
Little
Oh,
mustache.
let me see.
There you
Oh,
go.
no,
Yeah.
you look great.
Not bad,
that
right?
It looks much
Oh,
better on
maybe
you
soul
than on me.
patch.
Wait, here, let me try.
Soul patch?
YouTube gold.
I like it.
No, not
No.
Wait, here.
already. Yes?
Yeah.
This is good.
No, okay,
That's very
okay,
good.
okay.
Excellent.
Good.
Now you are French.
Now you're French.
Yeah.
Here, you can have
You can have this back.
Yeah, there you go.
Indeed.
Hey.
That was lovely.
Very good.
I like how it is dyed on the top.
It's good.
It's
I like
tips.
it. It's very
Has the
fashionable.
tips.
I know it's
Excellent.
Goodbye. Hi, sweetie.
Can
I
I
like
get
your
high
kitty
five?
cat.
High five.
Oh, long distance. There we
Can I
are.
pet your kitty cat? He looks so nice. Oh, he's very well
Does your
behaved.
kitty have a name?
Gingy.
Gingy.
Oh, that's excellent because he has red hair.
Yeah.
And what is your name?
Erin.
Erin. Oh, that is a beautiful name for a beautiful girl.
Say wave. Say bye-bye.
Are you going to take care of Gingy today?
Yes, it
Okay.
I encourage you to wear a seatbelt on all your rides.
That's right.
Okay?
That's right.
Seatbelts are very important.
Excellent.
Goodbye, Erin.
Bye.
See you later.
See you guys.
Cut the
Ah, comedy gold right there. There's the new and improved Hulk coaster. It's not open yet, but soon. I think we're going to go and check out Zeus Landing. Erin's freaking out over the birds. She doesn't like them. Wow, look. Hogsmeade to London Cross. You get the train from there to London King's Cross, where it's actually Universal. It's not actually London. Otherwise that would just be impossible. Pippa's a massive Harry Potter fan. How big a fan are you?
10.
10. I don't think I've never watched a film all the way through. I only seem to see it when you're watching it. Theming is really good. Look at this. This means nothing to me. What's the significance of the jelly beans?
Different flavours. Like hot flavoured, vomit flavoured.
Is that in the film?
Sorry.
Is that the chocolate frog, is it? So these kids have got interactive Harry Potter ones and they're just trying to get the box to open. Not very successfully. The conductor was saying this is playing up today.
Yeah.
I heard him saying to one of the guests. So you spent all your money on your interactive wand and it's not working. Womp womp. Do you know what? I even forgot this was here. We haven't been so long. I'm guessing I'm going to have to chop this video up because of the copyrighted music. We have just left Islands of Adventure. Erin is having a meltdown at everything. She doesn't want to go on any rides. She is grumpy. She doesn't like getting wet. She doesn't like seeing any birds out or animals near her. So we are leaving. Seriously. But hey ho, toddlers. On the plus side, the barrier was broken and we are leaving the car park without having to pay. So otherwise it would have cost us $24. But the guy said, just say your name, we'll open the gate. So we've been in Islands of Adventure for a total of an hour. Oh well. We're off to do something else, I suppose. Or take her home, let her get some sleep, I don't know. Anyway, catch you later. Sunny Florida. Where are we going, Pippa?
We're going to Altamont Mall.
We're going to Altamont Mall. Pippa's got Florida hair. So we've come to Altamont Mall and it's starting to rain again. It just started to clear up, so we're diving in to get some cover and spend some money.
Mummy.
Yeah, we're going to catch up with Mummy. We are in JCPenney and about to go to Impending Doom. And there it be. Closed, Pip. It's closed. Oh, what a shame. It's closed. We better go.
Disney stuff.
Yeah, and if anyone's after wrecking the store, that'll be Erin. This is the new Disney mini range at Sephora. Everyone's been going on about. Is this what's so special?
It's Disney. Look, it's a Disney special edition.
Clothes.
They're all mini ones as well, aren't they?
Clothes.
It's got like a little mini badge thing. Or whatever.
Clothes.
That's quite smart, isn't it, really?
I like the lipstick.
How cute is that?
I like the lipstick.
You like that lipstick?
Miniature cream lip satin. So if you buy this, you can do yourself up to look like Minnie Mouse. Is that what they're saying? Erin, you can't take all those. You need to put them back. Erin, you're just wrecking the joint. How not to load a conveyor belt. Why would you put those balls on top? Seriously? You get embarrassed. Can you not tell we're hungry? You alright, Erin? Erin?
Who was freaking out?
Someone on Twitter was freaking out.
Of Mummy's freak. Of Mummy.
Yeah.
Minnie Mouse's.
Minnie Mouse Sephora.
Who was freaking out?
Someone on Twitter. This woman in front has literally bought the whole shop. So look at the state of this weather. This is ridiculous. It's been like this all day.
Are you here?
No, we're not here. Not the greatest of days. Today is it? Erin's been a nightmare.
Oh,
She has been a nightmare.
she's tired. She had late night last night.
Yeah. As you can hear in the background, very grumpy child. And she just fell over in Walmart and hit her head and decided to scream the house down. Oh well. Anyway.
Sound like a really uncaring father.
Good evening, guys. We are finished for the day. Sorry about the look. But today has been a pretty arse day, really. Hasn't it?
It's
Yes.
not been the best day.
It's not been the best day.
No.
We woke up to lightning and thunder and rain, and we thought, right, okay, it's not really raining, we'll go to Universal we'd chill out a little bit, and it was good. We got there. It was just very light rain. We had the little boat trip in.
Free parking.
Got the free parking because the barrier didn't work, which was great. And then Erin went into meltdown mode because everything scared her. Birds walking along the pavement scared her. Ducks that just decided to walk by would freak her out. And then we got to Zeus Landing, which we thought, yeah, that'd be good. We can go on a few of the little rides there. No. I'm scared. I don't like it. Don't, no. She was just really tired from the night before. We didn't get back from Boardwalk. Yeah. We got back late from Boardwalk. And she was up early, so she didn't have her full sleep. But lesson learned. Get back early. Get her into bed. Pack her up. Yeah, she was proper grumpy. So we ended up just, what did we do? We went to Altamont Mall, we bought some bits there.
Panera Bread for lunch, which was lovely.
Yeah, Panera Bread, that's nice. If you've not checked out Panera Bread, that was nice. And then we went to Walmart.
You went to Florida Mall.
Oh yeah.
Your lids order, and then we went to Walmart.
Yeah, I went to Florida Mall,
They
yeah.
must have queued.
Oh god, yeah, the Walmart. If you go to the Walmart, which is sort of behind International Drive and on the way to Florida Mall, I think that's the one where like the whole of International Drive tourists just decide to descend on.
There's a lot of English people in there.
There's a, yeah, a lot. But it was, the checkouts were ridiculous, and they're not the quickest on the tills either. So we picked up Cheesecake Factory. Yeah, that was good.
Out. They actually $15.
Yep.
A slice of cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah, it's like a whole fridge of Cheesecake Factory, and there's like a little beaming light at the end of the crap day. It was just like, yeah. There's the fridge full of cheesecake. Took the cheesecake out, got to the registers. 25 minutes waiting to get through. Jeez. So probably got like a cheesecake slush.
Puddle.
Yeah. And now we have got back. Erin is in bed. She is bathed. She is pruned. She is in there chilling out. And we are sat in the room watching diner drive-ins and dives. Living the dream. Yeah, we didn't really celebrate our anniversary a few days ago because Erin was full of pox. So we bought either an expensive bottle of Prosecco or a very cheap bottle of champagne, and we're just chilling out now. We got our Walmart frozen food in, and we're cooking up some culinary delights because I can't be bothered to go and drive up to Outback. Or yeah, it is still raining now. So tomorrow is another day, and hopefully it will be filled with joy and laughter and some Florida sun. But like Pippa said, you'll look back at this and you'll remember the good times rather than the bad times. I don't think so. I think we've had some proper...
Stop feeling sorry for yourself.
Proper humdingers, haven't we? Anyway, that's it for tonight. We're signing off, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. So don't forget to like and subscribe, do all that jazz, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Goodbye.